take care while I sleep.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal and welcome to the Queendom. So hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. You already know, nago hard, yeah. Miss Tingu being consistent over here. So I wanted to give you guys an intro. I'm going to confess that I'm actually filming this way after I recorded everything that's going to be in this video, and I realized when I'm editing that I didn't actually talk at all throughout the whole vlog. I was just kurecord. So nilikuwa nataka kuambia a bit briefly about the vlog, because literally I don't think I'll be talking, but if there is, it's going to be like literally very short. So I hope you enjoy the vlog. I'm not even going to explain much. I'm just going to say don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you enjoy the vlog. I'm really happy that we are growing so fast. Like, I'm happy. Let me continue editing the vlog. I really hope that you enjoy the vlog, and yeah, you guys have been loving my vlogs so much, and I love that because I love them too. But editing has kind of been inanisumbua, so that's why I have not been posting twice a week. That's one of the reasons why. But yeah, so just bear with me, but at least I'm posting every week still. So stay tuned for Wednesdays and Saturdays when I get back to my regular schedule. But for now, Wednesdays are okay. And yeah, so basically I love that you guys enjoy my vlogs so much, and do so, and I really love editing them for you, creating them for you and all of that. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe so it can get to more people and we can continue growing, all of that. Ndio itabidi mnisikize hii part because sitaongea for the rest of the vlog, so be patient and hear me out. Nimesema finya subscribe. It's as simple as that. So anyway, I'm not going to force you. Yeah, so let's get on to the vlog. The first day I was going to visit my cousin to give birth. Aliza katoto katoto cute, na nilikuwa naenda kumtembelea. Aliza a while ago, but sijapata the time to go and actually visit. Na mimi ndo the godmom. Usinicheze. So the reason hamtaona any context kwa hiyo part, it's because siwezi record kwa wenyewe, as in that's privacy you get, because yeah.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, baby, later you can.
She was just calling me kids. She was just being the fucking haters. Even when I was wrong, I like it balls now. Like, she was acting some type of way.
But does she not like you? Does she have an issue with you? I don't understand why she'll come to your home and disrespect you like that.
At the show tonight. Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know?
It is the person, don't ever in your short man chest life. We ladies are in a group just to follow up with our itineraries and all.
We're on our way, and all of a sudden, messages start rolling in our WhatsApp group.
From the past, hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubby, look around. Find one that seems my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Got a real credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Beauty city, she blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know
Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But there you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I have done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in the feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Cry now from the side, now come my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
Oh, you play it down, man, access to your pillar. If I saw your weakness, I'll let it clean out your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. So do the situation that you call the winner. You be a true player, you have to know how to play. She say your night, convince her, say your day. Never ask me to do, I heard what she say. And she claim I you tell her, baby, they know me.
But she caught me on the counter. Saw me banging on the sofa. I even had her in the shower. She even caught me on camera. She saw the marks on my shoulder. Heard the words that I told her. Heard the screams getting louder. She stayed until it was over. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next
known to me. Parking in LA, so I'ma send a Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on below. Gotta hunger sheep, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. Can't leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
Kama sikuvute.
Put You made me wanna love you. What did you do? Just to put it down on you. You made me wanna be there all of the things. Go, 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 back.